Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing both phones, charge them, and join the same Wi-Fi network. On Android, open Move to iOS, and on the iPhone, choose Move Data from Android during setup. Once done, the iPhone shows a numeric code. Enter that code into the Android app to create a private Wi-Fi link. Make sure to allow required permissions on Android so contacts, messages, photos, and accounts can be read and transferred without interruption. After the devices connect, you pick which data to move and why each matters. Select contacts and messages if you need communication history, photos and videos for memories, and accounts to simplify logins. Once chosen, tap Transfer and watch the progress. Make sure to keep both phones unlocked, and on the transfer screen, incoming calls or sleep mode can interrupt the process. If you have many gigabytes, expect a longer wait. Patience prevents corrupted transfers. When transfer completes, sign into your Apple ID and verify mail, contacts, and calendar syncing to ensure continuity. Once done, re-download matching apps from the App Store and check that photos and messages arrived intact. Some app data cannot move and requires manual setup. If you run into problems, reboot both devices, confirm they share the same Wi-Fi, and try the transfer again. One key troubleshooting tip: if the process stalls, toggle Wi-Fi off and on, and restart Move to iOS before retrying.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.